Alright, this is the first time that the vlog is seeing the face behind this channel. Hello, my name is Alexis Voisard, and if you are new to my channel, hey, welcome. And if you've seen my travel vlogs before, welcome back. So this week we are going to be all over California. We're staying in Mariposa Grove, and it's a very cute Airbnb. I will link it down below. Would recommend. It is so cute. And this is actually the first trip that I am vlogging with my GoPro. I do not have my Canon G7 Mark II X, whatever it's called. I honestly don't remember the name. But I'm so excited. I got this GoPro as a graduation present from my mom and dad. I just graduated with my undergrad, my bachelor's of arts in English. So this is a little graduation present to myself, and also just this trip just to celebrate graduating and just, you know, kick-starting the rest of my life here with 3 of my friends from college, and they also happen to be my sorority sisters, so it's going to be a really special trip. So today, what is today? Today is Friday, so we flew in. We had a couple of weird flight delays. American Airlines was delayed a little bit. I guess their systems were down worldwide, so that was a little sketch. But we got through, so we're just waiting on our other friend, Skylar, who is coming in later tonight. So we're gonna drive back to Fresno. That's where we flew in. And then come back to our Airbnb, which is like 40 minutes away from Yosemite. So I think the rest of the week, tomorrow we're going to be going to San Francisco, and then we're going to be in Yosemite for 3 days, and we're also going to check out the Sequoia National Park, maybe even Kings Canyon. All kinds of fun stuff we'll get into. So stay tuned for the rest of this vlog to see amazing content. Currently on our way to get more pictures of that point up there. It's called Battery Spencer, I think. We just took a bunch of pictures over here on the railing. Say hi. Hi. I love that this has a back camera. So we're gonna take more pictures up there. It's not too windy like I thought it would be, but I mean, obviously my hair is everywhere, so it's a struggle, but the struggle is worth it. because my hair is just, it's not good. It's so windy up here. You can't even see the, over there is the red. Cute. But we did it. We saw her. She's gorgeous. It's windy. We'll do it again. We're in Ghirardelli Square. It's so cute. This is the big Ghirardelli sign. About to board that boat. My hair looks so bad.